Good afternoon, everyone. During this past unit lesson, we have been studying about citizens' rights and responsibilities. Usually, people have to obey rules to be part of society. However, some people disobey the rule for a good reason. One person like this is Malala Yousafzai, a girl from Pakistan.
I need to work on my secret blog showing how important education is. I think no one's found out I'm writing this. I'm so happy I won the Pakistan National Youth Peace Prize.
Malala and her family thought education was important, even though there were people in her country who didn't think so. One day, Malala was going to school in a minibus when some Taliban members stormed onto the bus. The Taliban is a terrorist group that used to control some parts of Pakistan.
Did you study for the master's today, Malala? Yes, I hope I do well.
Who is Malala?
Malala was shot in the head and had to be taken to a hospital in UK for a treatment. She was shot because Taliban thought girls should not go to school. She was in the hospital for 3 months. Her parents thought she would not make it, but miraculously she survived. She was only 15 years old at that time.
I'm so thankful you survived, Malala. Let's go back home and rest. You need to take care of some more.
No, Dad. I'm going to the schools to talk about how important education is. You told me that. That's why you started that school in Pakistan. I'm going to share that message with the world.
People all over the world were angry about what happened to Malala. She continues to stay in the UK for her safety. More than 2 million people signed a petition for women's education. For this reason, Pakistan made a law saying all children have the right to free education.
Dad, I'm going to the schools to talk about how important it is to study. I'm so happy now because Malala found more girls can go to school.
I'm so proud of you, Malala. The book you wrote in your campaign is really helping the girls in Pakistan. So many people now want to help.
Malala traveled all around Pakistan and the world visiting schools to campaign for girls' education. She received a lot of attention for her positive actions. In 2014, Malala won the Nobel Peace Prize.
I wanted a peace everywhere. It's the last time a child should be deprived of education. Let us remember, one book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world.
Malala went to study more and graduated from Oxford University. She continues to inspire girls in Pakistan and around the world to study.
Just because you are
A child doesn't mean
you can't make a difference. I hope Malala inspires.
like it has ours.